What's up, everybody, and welcome back to the channel. Today is Friday, and I have a few things I'm gonna knock out. Now, if you guys didn't know, I opened up another printing business, and this printing business that I opened is strictly merchandise. So we're printing hoodies, uniforms, team uniforms, t-shirts, which I always been doing t-shirts, but I'm doing the all over 3D t-shirts, also vinyl, and we're printing on cups, mugs, rugs, you name it, we are printing on it. So I'm going to take you guys by the warehouse I opened. I'm still under construction in there. I had the painting guys come in, they did their painting, and we put some of our equipment in there. We'll get the rest in there probably in the next week or so, but we are in there getting work done right now. So we're knocking out the jobs, the important jobs, and if you want any printing for t-shirts or anything, I'll leave the link in the description. You guys can go check out the website. You can check out what we're doing, and if you like it, guess what? We can print it for you as well. Right now, I had to pick up some socks we printed, and last night I left them in the car by mistake. So if y'all want to see some of the stuff that we print, you see this sock? This is a sock. So I left this in her car last night because we went to the store. I had to take it to my office so I can leave it there so the customer can pick it up. And I stopped by to get me something to eat at this food truck, and from here I'm gonna get started. So if this is your first time tuning in to the channel, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you can keep up with all the vlogs that I post. Hey, what's up, everybody? Now guess what? I had to stop off to the bank and open up a new account and to see my bank guy, Alex. Y'all say hi to him. If y'all need a bank account, y'all make sure y'all check him out, and I'll leave his information in the description below.
What's up, y'all? Name's Alex, representing Truist, aka used to be SunTrust. If you need anything I can help you out with financially, come see me.
And for real, he's a good guy. I've been banking with him for years, and he's always there for me. And guess what? He can be there for you too. Just try him out. Alright? Now if y'all can see right here, I'm gonna put a sign probably on the top or right here. I'll probably wrap this whole door. Y'all know how I get down if y'all see my other businesses. And y'all see I still got this color going on. This is my color scheme, red and white. And right here in this lobby, I am going to fix it up. I'm going to put stuff that we do on the walls. I'm gonna put a desk in here. I'm gonna put computer. I'm gonna put all that good stuff for the lobby, make it look all right. And when you come in here, right over here is where it's going to be another big printer's going in here, and we're gonna take this out of here and put this more into the warehouse. I just set this here now so we can get some small jobs done so our customers don't have to wait around. In here is going to be more of just a room that you can come with your laptop, work. I'm gonna put a refrigerator, all that stuff. You can eat lunch in here. I'm gonna put a TV on the wall. I'm gonna do all that good stuff. But we have not did anything yet. We just was worried about the painting getting done and the carpets getting cleaned in here because it was really nasty when we first moved in here. It looked really old. Y'all see that? This is custom. We custom printed this on the sleeves, the front, the back, and the hood, even inside the hood. See, outside, you see the type of quality that we're printing? All this was just custom printed, just ideas. We just printed it for we can have samples for customers. See the back of this? Now look at the back of this one. See that? It's really nice. Look at the hood. Look inside the hood. You can flip it inside out. Yeah. See that? And check out the front. Brooklyn! So if you're from Brooklyn, we can print this for you and send it right to you if you want it. Also, y'all can check out my Tim J Means business shirts. I'll be having this as one of my merchandise on the channel soon. Y'all will be able to buy that. And y'all can just see how reprint these shirts. This is front and back. See, look at the back of this. This was a white shirt, and we printed what we wanted on each one of these shirts. Now, this is a huge heat press. A lot of people don't have a big heat press. A lot of these guys, they have, like, I'm going to show you the heat presses they have, but we use commercial equipment. Now, let's go over here. I'm going to show y'all some heat presses. I got a lot of them. These are just the ones that I have hooked up for now. This is one good heat press. This heat press is a really good heat press. This one here costs you probably like around $1,500. This is a max heat press, so it's not a cheap one. Now, this heat press is something I got a long time ago. It works. It does its job. And I got this one on the floor. I have a few of these I use. Voila! Y'all see how it came out? Okay, right now I'm about to head over to my marketing office and my production studio. Being an entrepreneur is a lot of work because you're always working. Even when I'm at the dinner table and I'm in my phone, I'm doing work because I have it programmed that I can do work from my phone. So it's not for everyone because some people, it's just better off working for somebody. And you get a paycheck, you clock in, you do your job, you go home. For an entrepreneur, it's never over, even for a business owner. And is it a difference between a business owner and an entrepreneur? Yes, it is. A business owner runs a business. That's it. An entrepreneur runs businesses, has investments, stocks, whatever it is. So they're constantly making a dollar. And that's what an entrepreneur job is. It never stops. We don't look at, I'm going to run this business and I'm going to retire from this business. I may sell it or keep it in the family for the family to run this business. No. Entrepreneur opens a lot of businesses. So if one ain't doing good, the other one is. And if they all doing good, they all doing good. It's about consistently making money. If one thing is going slow, the other one is not. If two things are going slow, the other one is not. It's all about keeping the money moving. And a lot of people may make some money and they'll put their money in the bank and they'll just let it sit, gain a 2% interest, really nothing, and be happy with that. Not an entrepreneur. I got $40,000 laying around. I'm gonna turn that $40,000 to another couple $100,000 or $1 million. It's that simple. I'm not gonna let it just sit there in the bank and don't make no money. Just sitting there. What is doing sitting there? It's not doing nothing for me. I'm not getting no good interest off of it. So I might as well invest it so I can make more from it. Now that money is making money. If you're looking to be an entrepreneur, make sure you first start being a business owner, because you want to learn how to operate a business. You want to learn how to set this business up. You want to learn everything about how to run a business. So when it's time for you to run 5, 10 businesses, it's so easy. You're doing everything on your own, and you know exactly what to do because you have the experience. You know what it takes to market and advertise each one of the businesses. And always remember, every business is different. You don't market and advertise the business the same as you advertise one of your business. You may own a product line, and you may own, say, a cleaning service. You don't market a product line the same way you market and advertise a cleaning service. It's all different. So these are things that you want to learn. You want to make sure everything that you're doing is effective. Effective advertising, effective marketing. You want to make sure you're doing everything right. Because when I first started, I lost money. I lost money with, okay, I'm advertising this magazine, or I'm advertising this newspaper, or I'm advertising this. And I'm looking at everything and seeing what's effective for my dollar. And I found out each one of my business what is an effective way to market and advertise them. And then once I figured that out, it became cake work. Plus I own a marketing firm and advertising company. Plus I had a production studio. So it makes everything so easier for me because I can go in today, all right, I want to do a commercial on business cards. All I have to do is just go into my production studio, cut a commercial for business cards, and start airing it. If I'm airing on TV, it's going to take a couple of days, 3-4 days, so it can go through the process it need to go through with the channel that I'm putting it on. Or if I'm doing social media, YouTube, any of that, I can start right away. And I'm going to start right away anyways, marketing on other platforms before the TV even start running. Because, again, it's about making money. And I don't want to wait no days. I want my phone ringing every day. I want my website tinging and somebody to order something every day. And that's how you run a good business. So again, become a businessman or a businesswoman first. Start your business. Then get into entrepreneurship. Learn the difference. Because a lot of people always say, oh, because they own a business, I'm an entrepreneur. No, you're not. You got a banking account and you own a business. That's it. An entrepreneur owns a lot of businesses. Makes a lot of different investments. Take major risk. And I'm not going to say sometimes you're going to win. But guess what? You're gambling with yourself. And you're gambling with your money. You ain't borrowed the money. If you lose it, trust me, you own businesses. You're going to make it right back. So why be scared? Life is to live it to the fullest. To do what you want to do. Not what somebody else wants you to do. Because remember this. A lot of people will be jealous of you. Will be jealous of your come up, will be jealous of your success, and they don't want to see you succeed. You're gonna have friends that don't support your business. You're gonna have family members, all that will go somewhere else and get the services. Yours can be even cheaper than where they went, and they still will go to somewhere else besides coming to you, because in their heart they're really jealous and they envious of you. Because if they wasn't, they would come to you and spend that money with their friend or their family member. So remember these words and don't forget it. The best people to reach out to and to market advertise to is not friends and families. It's strangers. Because guess what? Those strangers is going to make you wealthy. Not your family and not your friends. Remember that. And don't forget that. Always love them. Don't hate them because they don't do business with you. Don't hate them because they don't come to your business and spend money with you. There's nothing to hate them about. You know what I'm saying? Just keep it moving. Be family. You know what I'm saying? Be friends. But just remember that they're not going to support you. And if they're not supporting you, you really don't care, because you're going to succeed with or without them. Always remember that in your mind. I am going to succeed with friends or family or without friends and family. Trust me, I did. I love my friends and I love my family. If they spend money with me or they don't, I don't care. It don't bother me. I love you, cuz. I love you, cuz. I love you, brother. I love you, sister. But my brothers and sisters support me. What's up, man?
How you doing?
I haven't seen you all week. I know you said you was going on a vacation, right?
5 days off.
You had 5 days off?
Mom was in town.
Oh, okay. So you just coming back today?
Just back today.
Yeah, because I haven't got no mail all week.
You going home early? You
Um,
go back to the office for a bit? I
yeah.
got stuff for you.
Okay.
Okay.
All right. That was my mailman, and he's a cool guy. All right, y'all. Here is my marketing office. Right here is where all the marketing work goes down at. If you can see, we do some of everything. We do printing, of course, you know, I own a printing company. We do stickers, we do business cards. Now we do website building, advertising, and you see it, push marketing, graphic designs, marketing, vinyl banners. We do everything here. Y'all can see this is a green for the green screen area because we walk right into the green screen area. And here we go. This podcast over there, that's a recording booth we don't use right now. We do a lot of production here. Over there we do photography, and we do it over here too. I use this a lot. I use everything in here a lot. So here we go.